Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, my name is Sam. I'm the founder and CEO of AISense, and our flagship product is called Otter. It's Otter.ai. I'm going to demonstrate in a moment what we do. There are billions of people in the world. We all talk a lot. This is what we're doing right now. We talk to communicate. On average, people may, in their lifetime, may speak like 800 million words in their lifetime. So in enterprises, especially, people may spend 30% or even 50% of their time in meetings, phone calls, video conferences. But people forget things really fast. There are a lot of studies that show that in 24 hours, you may forget 70% of the content in the conversation. So we built this company in San Francisco, Silicon Valley, to build the latest AI technologies to understand human-to-human conversations. And we do natural language understanding to understand how people communicate with each other. I'm the co-founder, and I also have another co-founder, Yun Fu. So our mission, well, I used to work at Google. I was the lead of Google Map location service for 4 years, 2006 to 2010. So we're borrowing Google's mission statement here. Our mission is to organize the world's voice information and make it universally accessible and useful. So you may ask, how is it different than Siri or Alexa or Google Home? So what they are doing is just a chatbot between human being and a robot. You ask a simple question like, what's the weather tomorrow? How's the traffic? And the robot will answer the question. But for us, we focus on understanding conversations between two or more human beings. So this is actually much more challenging than a chatbot, because when you talk with each other, you don't always speak grammatically correct sentences. You interrupt each other. Everybody's volume and pace is different. You need to recognize each person's voice separately to understand who is asking the question, who is answering the question. And also far field, if you're an engineer, you understand the difference between near field and far field. When you talk to the phone, talk to Siri like this, it's, you're really close to a microphone, but if you put the phone away, like 6 feet away, the traditional voice or speech recognition cannot work very well. So let me just do a quick demo. We'll see how things are going. If you go to Otter.ai website right now, you're going to see this interface. Once you sign in, you can start doing real-time transcription. So this is all real. The service is performed in the cloud. It's actually getting signal from this microphone through this laptop, going to our server in United States, and is sending the result back to here. So you see the whole system works really well. Even with the background noise, although it's not 100% perfect, it's actually way better. I can claim it's way better than Siri, than AWS, Echo. You can actually test it yourself. On the stage next door, the deep tech stage, they are actually using our system to provide a real-time transcription for all the speeches. At the end of the talk, I will give you the instructions so that you can get actually all the speeches from yesterday, and they will restart at 11 o'clock. I'll go back. So what we're doing here is to get data from everywhere, from mobile phone, for phone calls, from video conference. It goes through our ambient voice intelligence system. It transcribes the data, transcribes the voice, recognize the voice, recognize the voice print of each speaker. We have a new new technology called diarization and also speaker ID. Conceptually, it's similar to face recognition. When you upload a photo to Google Photo or Facebook, they ask you, hey, tag this face. Is this Seamus? Is this Sam? Then it will remember it, right? For future photos, it will automatically recognize that face. So we have similar technology, but we do it for your voice. Once you label 1 minute of your voice, we generate a voice profile for your voice. It will recognize, OK, this is John or Lucy. And in the future, whenever you speak, it can recognize your voice. So once we have this system, the first benefit is everything is searchable. Suppose you have 20 meetings last week. It's really hard to remember everything. With this system, you can search everything on your cell phone. For myself, we record all our product meetings. Everything is shared among the team members. It's actually a really good collaboration tool. We're going to release an enterprise version very soon in a few months. We already, again, the product name is Otter. You can get it from App Store or Android for free. This is the best app selected by Mashable. One of the 7 best apps of 2018. Other are Fortinet, Google News. Zoom, if anybody use Zoom video conference, they actually use our service as the exclusive speech recognition engine. All your Zoom calls, once you turn this on, everything can be transcribed, everything can be searched. We have processed millions of meetings, probably the largest meeting callers in the world. Anybody knows about Bridgewater, the largest hedge fund in the world? Their CEO, Ray Dalio, is going to speak this afternoon on the center stage. They are our customer because they want to use Otter to process all their meetings. They record all their meetings for 20 years. They want to use this to analyze how they make their decisions, how they discuss their investment strategies. Our investors include David Sheraton, who is the professor billionaire from Stanford, who wrote the first check to Google in 1997. He's also my PhD advisor at Stanford. Others like Tim Draper, who actually spoke on center stage yesterday about crypto. There's a lot of awards we have won, Mashable, Forbes, PC Magazine, Fast Company. So you can sign up for free at Otter.ai, and then you go to Otter.ai Web Summit to follow the Web Summit group. Then you can get this. I'll show you. On the stage next door, all the speeches are already processed by Otter. Once you join the group, you're going to see all the speeches like this. It's loading. You see the title of the speech and the list of keywords automatically extracted by our NLP engine. You can see what people are talking about. And then the name of the speaker and the content you can play back.
So we have one more panel for you today on this stage, and it's going to be intriguing. So over the last few hours, we've had products.
So both the audio and the transcript is available. You can click anywhere to play from any places.
I think, first off, one of the interesting
you can search the system. You say, hey, I want to search for Keaton, the name of the speaker. Everything is highlighted. You can jump around, and you can click here and replay. So imagine all your meetings, all your sales calls, all your customer service calls, all your interviews is managed by this system. You may be afraid that, okay, how secure is this? We do encrypt everything. We're not going to listen to your talk. We don't want to take that liability. So everything is encrypted. You own all the data. If you erase it, we erase everything. So again, we're going to launch an enterprise version very soon in a few months. If you're interested, talk to us. And also, universities are using this for students to take lecture notes for accessibility as well. Again, this is we're building an AI hub for all the voice information. Thank you.